How to travel to Cambodia on a budget. A complete guide for budget travelers. Cambodia, a country rich in history, culture, and natural beauty, is a fantastic destination for travelers looking for an affordable, yet rewarding travel experience. From the world-renowned temples of Angkor Wat to the stunning coastal regions and vibrant cities, Cambodia offers a wide range of experiences. In this journey, we'll explore how to travel to Cambodia on a budget, visit its most beautiful places, and save money on accommodations, food, and activities. We will also provide tips on how to use Expedia to get the best deals, recommend buying travel insurance, and much more. Subscribe for more adventures. Planning your budget trip to Cambodia. Choosing the right time to visit Cambodia. When planning a trip to Cambodia, timing plays a crucial role in both the cost and the quality of your experience. Cambodia's weather is typically hot year-round, but there are certain seasons that make it more budget-friendly to visit. Best time to visit Cambodia for budget travelers. Low season from May to October coincides with the monsoon season in Cambodia, where there is heavier rainfall, particularly from June to September. While this might deter some travelers, visiting Cambodia during this period can result in lower prices for flights, hotels, and activities. The rain showers tend to be brief and heavy, leaving plenty of time to explore in between. High season, from November to March, brings cooler weather and less rain, making it ideal for sightseeing. However, this is when prices for accommodation and activities are at their peak. If you're looking for the best deals, booking in advance is essential to avoid the higher rates that come with the influx of tourists. Why low season is ideal for budget travelers, lower airfare and hotel rates, less crowded attractions allowing for a more relaxed experience. Many deals and discounts available during the off-peak months. Finding affordable flights to Cambodia. Flights to Cambodia can vary greatly depending on the time of year, airline, and how far in advance you book. Here's how you can find the most affordable tickets. Tips for finding cheap flights. Book in advance. Airfare is usually cheaper when booked 3 to 6 months ahead of your travel dates. Use flight comparison websites. Websites like Skyscanner, Momondo, and Google Flights allow you to compare prices across airlines and booking platforms. Flexibility with dates. Flights can vary in price based on the day of the week. If you have flexible travel dates, you can often find cheaper options. Use Expedia for bundled deals. Booking flights through Expedia can provide additional savings when bundled with hotels and car rentals. By booking all parts of your trip in one place, you can get significant discounts. Airlines to consider for budget flights to Cambodia. AirAsia, a popular budget airline that offers low-cost flights to Cambodia from major cities across Asia. Thai Airways, for those traveling from Europe or the Americas, offers competitive prices when booked in advance. Vietnam Airlines is another affordable option if you're traveling from Southeast Asia. Cambodia has a wide range of accommodation options for every type of traveler, from luxury resorts to budget hostels. Whether you're staying in the capital city of Phnom Penh or exploring Siem Reap, there are plenty of budget-friendly choices. Accommodation categories: budget accommodation, hostels and guest houses, dorm rooms, and budget hotels. In cities like Phnom Penh, Siem Reap, and Sihanoukville, you'll find dormitory-style rooms in hostels that cost as little as $5 to $10 per night. These are great for solo travelers or those looking to meet others. Guest houses. Local guest houses offer private rooms for affordable prices, ranging from $10 to $20 per night. These are common in touristy areas and provide a more personal experience. Mid-range accommodation, posadas, and boutique hotels. Mid-range hotels and boutique guest houses cost around $20 to $50 per night. These accommodations often offer more amenities, such as free Wi-Fi, air conditioning, and breakfast, luxury accommodation resorts, and high-end hotels. Cambodia is home to some luxurious resorts, especially around Siem Reap and the coast. If you're looking for a touch of luxury without the hefty price tag, you can find 4-star resorts for around $70 to $150 per night. In larger cities, you can book 5-star hotels for a fraction of the cost compared to other parts of the world. How to save on accommodation. Use Expedia for deals. Expedia regularly offers discounts on hotels and resorts in Cambodia. By booking through Expedia, you can take advantage of bundled deals, which include discounted rates for flights, hotels, and activities when booked together. Cambodia's public transportation system is limited, but there are affordable options for getting around. Cheap transportation options: buses. Cambodia has several budget bus services that operate between major cities. Bus rides between Phnom Penh and Siem Reap, for example, cost as little as $6 to $10 one way. Tuk-tuks. In cities like Siem Reap and Phnom Penh, tuk-tuks are a popular and affordable way to get around. Negotiate your fare in advance, as prices can vary. Motorbike rentals. Renting a motorbike is a cheap way to explore Cambodia. Prices typically range from $5 to $10 per day. Private car hire. If you're traveling with a group, consider hiring a private car or van, which can often be more affordable per person than taking taxis or tuk-tuks. Cambodian food is delicious, and the good news is that it doesn't have to cost much to enjoy it. Street food is not only affordable but also offers an authentic taste of Cambodia. Cheap and delicious food options. Street food. Cambodian street food is delicious and extremely affordable. For example, a bowl of amok, a traditional fish curry, or bun chow, savory crepes, typically costs around $2 to $3. Local restaurants. You can find affordable meals in local restaurants and eateries. Meals range from $3 to $7 for a variety of local dishes like noodle soups, rice dishes, and fresh spring rolls. Markets and food stalls. Street food markets are a great place to try a variety of Cambodian dishes. Eating at local food stalls can be as cheap as $1 to $2 per meal. Tips to save on food. Eat where the locals eat. Local markets and small food stalls often offer the best deals. Look for happy hour deals at restaurants and bars, which are common in popular tourist spots. Top beautiful places to visit in Cambodia on a budget. Cambodia is famous for its rich culture, history, and natural beauty. Here are the top must-visit places that won't break the bank. First, we have Angkor Wat and Angkor Archaeological Park in Siem Reap. The crown jewel of Cambodia, Angkor Wat is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the largest religious monuments in the world. Visiting the temples is one of the best experiences you can have in Cambodia, and the entrance fees are affordable compared to similar attractions around the world. Entrance fees are $37 for a one-day pass, $62 for a three-day pass, and $72 for a week-long pass. Plus, you can take time to explore the small temples and local markets around Siem Reap, many of which are free to visit. Next up is Phnom Penh. Cambodia's capital offers historical sites, vibrant markets, and beautiful riverfront views. Popular spots include the Royal Palace, Silver Pagoda, and the Killing Fields, which provide a sobering look at Cambodia's tragic history. Entrance fees are around $10 for the Royal Palace, and visiting the Tuol Sleng Genocide Museum is $5. For a more relaxed, beach-focused vacation, head to Sihanoukville or the nearby Koh Rong Islands. These coastal destinations offer beautiful, less crowded beaches and budget-friendly accommodations by the sea. The ferry to Koh Rong costs about $25, and accommodations can be found for $10 to $30 per night. Then we have Kampot and Kep. Located near the coast, Kampot is known for its colonial architecture and beautiful landscapes, while Kep is famous for its seafood and quiet beach atmosphere. These small towns offer great food, historical sites, and natural beauty at a fraction of the cost of larger cities. Lastly, there's Battambang. For those interested in Cambodian history and culture, Battambang is an off-the-beaten-path destination offering rustic charm. The bamboo train is a must-do, and the Phnom Sampho hilltop is perfect for those looking to experience Cambodia's history and natural beauty on a budget. Why you should buy travel insurance for Cambodia. Travel insurance is crucial when traveling abroad, especially in developing countries like Cambodia. Here are the main reasons to purchase travel insurance. First, medical emergencies. Travel insurance covers medical treatment, which can be expensive if you're injured or become ill while traveling. Next, trip interruptions. If you need to cancel or delay your trip due to an emergency, travel insurance reimburses you for non-refundable expenses. Then there's lost luggage and theft. If your bags are lost or your valuables are stolen, insurance will cover the cost of replacement. And lastly, emergency evacuations. In case of serious injury or natural disasters, travel insurance ensures that you're covered for evacuation and transportation to the nearest medical facility. Use Expedia for the best travel deals and bundle offers. Expedia offers amazing deals that can help you save money on flights, accommodations, and activities in Cambodia. Booking through Expedia allows you to access exclusive discounts on flights, hotels, and vacation packages. The best part? You can save even more by bundling your flights, hotel, and car rental together. Why use Expedia? Discounted flights and hotels. Expedia often offers deep discounts on travel services to Cambodia, especially when you book in advance or as part of a bundle. Next, bundle and save. Expedia's bundle deals allow you to combine flights, hotels, and activities, offering significant savings. And lastly, reliable booking. Expedia is known for its reliable customer service and seamless booking experience. Click the link in my channel's description for the best savings and bundle deals with Expedia. Plan your budget-friendly Cambodian adventure today. Cambodia offers an incredible travel experience for those on a budget. With its rich history, stunning temples, and natural beauty, Cambodia provides a diverse array of activities and destinations that won't break the bank. From finding affordable accommodations and street food to exploring the breathtaking Angkor temples, there's something for everyone. Book your trip through Expedia for the best deals and bundle savings. And don't forget to purchase travel insurance to ensure your safety and peace of mind during your travels. Check out those amazing deals in my channel's description. Subscribe for more adventures and let me know your experiences traveling through Cambodia. Happy travels!